Hi, I'm Alex Daly, and I'm about to put a fresh engine into this XJ engine bay, but the hood is sticking. So when I go to show it off to friends, I don't want there to be a huge embarrassment. The answer is this 70 to 72 SS hood pin kit from Resto Parts. That's right, I'm going to delete the stock hardware, and it's actually going to be pretty easy. To install these. I got these powder coated, these traditional looking muscle car hood pins. Gone with the stock junk and in with the hood pins. It won't be that janky because you keep the secondary center latch. So the safety latch is still there. So join me as we put the hood pins in, check for alignment on the hood, put the top covers in, and then finish up with alignment and these tabs for the pin keepers. So I'm going to reuse this spring, but take off this bracket and then mount the pin where the bracket is. Ready, go. Well, we're in for it now. I just bent the linkage rod. Oof. Junk. So I got my pins installed and it's looking good, but now I have to align it. I think I'm actually going to use some help from the kitchen. Just going to put a little dab of something goopy, i.e. peanut butter, on the very tip and see where it marks. And this is only because I couldn't find any chalk.
Remember, kids, just the tip.
These actually don't have to be that exact. This hole on the retainer is like pretty big. And then when I put those vents in, it might like warp a little bit anyway. Yeah. And these move around in the hole a decent amount. Yes, drilling through my hood as you do on a Saturday. So I'm happy with how it's looking so far. I'm just going to do a little fine adjustment, and then we'll deal with the springs, press it up like that, and then I'm going to have to wait till this is all together with the radiator support to put these in. But so far looks great, just some finishing adjustments and touches to do. Well, the weld's ugly, but it works. What do you say? Pretty Cool. Nice. Thanks for hanging out. This is Alex Daly for Daily Driver.